The massive expansion of artificial intelligence will eliminate thousands of jobs in the near future. Human workers are already being replaced by robots that perform tasks faster and more efficiently. We are experiencing a profound technological revolution. There is a generalized fear that these intelligent machines will acquire higher forms of consciousness and even be able to absorb human minds that will function with artificial supports and no biological bodies. There are those who even hope that this robotic future will lead to the creation of new forms of human life, freed from the confines of a biological condition. In reality, humans have always relied on artificial prostheses that have extraordinarily expanded the biological limits of consciousness. But today, we are witnessing an accelerated development of sophisticated machines that possess artificial intelligence. In this book, I explore the extension of the functions of consciousness into the cultural networks that humans have woven, and I do so by focusing on the way in which rituals influence cerebral textures. I examine shamanic rites, describing their ancient or traditional expressions, as well as their forms in modern medicine. At the core of these rituals is a phenomenon that has been increasingly recognized and studied, the so-called placebo effect. It involves a close functional relation between cultural devices and the biological operations of the central nervous system. This phenomenon can provide us with important insights into the part of the human mind connected to the artificial nature of rituals and cultural prostheses. These are precisely the keys whose components engineers strive to decipher in their attempt to make robots function with consciousness structures similar to those of humans. And so we will find a certain parallelism between the processes triggered by a shaman or a physician in the mind of the patient who wants to be healed, and the mechanisms an engineer constructs to give a robot something akin to consciousness. In both cases, there is a link between artificial processes and conscious behaviors. If robots are going to be conscious, they must be built as mixed systems, resembling the hybrid character of human consciousness.